Hello. We're going to review the C scale before we get started today. Today, we're going to learn to play Jolly Old St. Nicholas, which is a great song. And to play Jolly Old St. Nicholas, we're going to need that C scale that we talked about before. So let's just do a quick review. Your left hand, find your left hand. Take your thumb of your left hand. Put it on the instrument. Your left hand is the one that makes an L. I know, I'm dyslexic, so they both look like L, but there you go. I'm gonna see that's my right hand. Your right hand, you're using down here. Your left hand, you're using here. Each hole owns a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 fingers. C. So first, take your thumb, put it on the back hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. 7 fingers will allow you to play a C scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. To get fluid with your fingers, to get to a point where you're not thinking about it, to get to a point where your fingers move of their own accord, move naturally, we're going to use something called muscle memory. Muscle memory is earned, it's learned, it's something that you get by doing things a whole bunch. So in this case, we're going to be working on... So anyhow, today's song is Jolly Old St. Nicholas, which is a great song. And what we're going to do is we're going to do it in a bunch of styles. But to play it, we're going to need to know some of these notes. We will turn to letters in just a few moments, but right now we're going to worry about just fingers. So here's what I want you to do. 1 finger. 4 times. Try that again. Okay? 1 and ready, go. Same thing. Ready, go. This time, we're going to play 2 fingers 3 times. The third note's going to be twice as long. So, again, we played 2 fingers. We played the note 3 times. Same thing. Ready, go. Let's put together those first two measures of music. One, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. The next measure, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 1. And 1 is a long note. I'm going to hold it for a whole measure. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. So that whole first section, you've learned almost half the song already. Let's start over again with 1. Ready? I'll count you off and you can finger it or you can play it. 1 and ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Let's do that again. 1 and here we go. Good. That's half the song. 5. This is where it gets a little harder. Don't panic if it's not coming out right away. Finger it. Relax. 5 fingers. These guys want to be close to the holes but not covering. Sometimes I'll hold them up so you can see that I'm only using 5 fingers. But you want to keep your fingers close to the holes. 5, 5, 5, 5. So, a whole measure with 5s. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. 2 6s. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. Do it again. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. Play it. not too much air. If you're blowing and it sounds like this, you're blowing too hard. First, try tonguing. Touch the tip of your tongue to your teeth. Stop the air. Three. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. You're almost there. You've learned almost the entire song. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. Next idea, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. We'll do it slowly. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Then you repeat the whole thing. At the very end, 2, 3, 2, 1. And last time we went 2. The very last note is 3. So, the first time through, in the 8th measure, we go 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. And the next time we see it, it's there it is. Now, let's try the same thing, learning the names of the notes we just played. B is 1. B, 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 B. A, A, A. G, 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 B. So, let's try the first 4 measures again. B, A, G, and then back to B. 4 Bs, 3 As, 4 Gs, and that long B. Ready? 1, and here we go. Do you remember what comes next? That's right, 5. We played 5 for a whole measure, 4 times. Ready, go. 6, 6. 3. Do you remember the last measure? 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Let's play that. Try it again. Okay, I think you're ready to try this. Kind of slow. And I think, let's try it with a reggae beat. Yeah. One, 2, ready, here we go. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. The first time is 2, the next time is 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. Yeah. All right. Let's try it at a little faster tempo, a little brighter tempo. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Three, three, three. Hold the 1. 1. Hold it long. 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. All right, let's try it at a quick tempo. Three, three, three. Hold the 1. 4 beats. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3. 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. So, there it is. Jolly old St. Nicholas. We're try it a couple of different ways now. Maybe we'll do it, I don't know, as a mambo, and then perhaps as a rumba.